The growth rate in sector gamma is exceeding projections.
Yes, the nutrient levels are optimal. We should cross-reference with the hydration sensors.
The biomass index on Sector 4 is exceeding projections by 15%.
That aligns with the increased nutrient delivery from the blue units.
The machinery operates in perfect synchronization, cleanly separating the seeds. The stainless steel components guide the seed.
Automated transfer arms guide the sunflower seeds into large, sealed containers. East Asian workers over...
We need to monitor the flow from Harvester 4. It seems slightly inconsistent.
I see it. I'll flag the operator.
Welcome to the future of agricultural logistics, where precision robotics ensure the seamless flow of goods from field to market.
The volumetric sensors ensure unparalleled accuracy.
Check the real-time analysis here. The throughput on line 5 has increased by 10%.
I see that. The sorting accuracy remains optimal, however. The moisture levels on line 3 are fluctuating slightly.
Yes, but still within tolerance according to the sensor data.
Check the flow rate on chute 3. Looks stable, but the wash cycle is backed up.
The airflow readings are fluctuating more than expected.
Check the sensor near the third panel up. The temperature spike might be causing it.
Pressure is increasing just as expected. We're maintaining the 1500 psi target.
And the flow rate is steady.
The presses run 24/7, producing uniform slabs critical for the next stage. Quality control is paramount.
Check the pressure on the transfer pump.
Flow rate is steady, temperature is optimal.
Keep an eye on the pressure gauge. We're almost at capacity.
Looks good from here.
The differential pressure is stable, indicating optimal flow and cartridge performance. We are ready for the next stage.
The transmembrane pressure is stable at 0.2 bar.
Good, the automated backwash sequence is holding steady.
The flux rate is holding steady at 20 liters per square meter.
And the transmembrane pressure looks optimal for this stage.
The flow rate looks stable at 99.5%.
Good, the clarity index is holding steady too.
Check the pressure on tank 5.
It's reading steady, Supervisor. All parameters are nominal.
The current separation efficiency is holding steady at 99.8%. We'll maintain the flow rate.
The efficiency graphs confirm we're maintaining 98% purity.
Excellent. We'll keep monitoring the flow rate.
The oil travels upward through the columns under controlled heat, while technicians monitor the vacuum readings.
Batch 47B, clarity reading is perfect.
Noted, maintaining temperature at 220 Celsius.
Looks good from here. We are ready for transfer.
As you can see on screen 3, the acidity levels are well within the acceptable parameters for this batch.
Lab results confirm compliance.
Good. Initiate transfer sequence for the sunflower oil.
Transfer commencing now.
The temperature stabilization zone is critical,
maintaining the precise conditioning of the sunflower oil through these specialized heat exchangers.
The torque and seal verification data confirms optimal performance on all lines. Consistency is high today.
The levels are holding steady right at the target.
Looks good, no variations detected.
Inspection complete, everything is within tolerance.
In this state-of-the-art facility, steel gray robotic arms precisely pack sunflower oil bottles into
Batch 741 is traceable. Moving to the next pallet.
We need to reroute the next pallet to Zone 3.
Acknowledged. I'll update the ASRS sequence now.
Seal integrity confirmed on Bay 3. Moving to Bay 4.
Labels match the manifest. Packaging is secure. Ready for distribution.